I would like to invite every Meghalayans to visit the community market, their products, to see their products, to visit the artisan market because to encourage them their income.
The Northeast Development Forum NEDF Nagar Bhatyaprashif Sagar, Assam organized an exhibition for adopted Sintian cluster artisans on August 10th at the IGP point of All Saints Cathedral Hall. The exhibition was sponsored by the Government of India's Ministry of Textiles Development Commissioner Handicraft Office. In her engagement with the media, Mrs. Priyam Hazarika discusses their NGOs as well as the goal and purpose of the exhibition.
Namaskar, I am Priyam Hazarika, Secretary of Northeast Development Forum NGO based at Junnagar, Bhotiapar, Sibsagar, Assam. Our NGO Northeast Development Forum has been working in Sintain adopted cluster from 2019 to 2022, and in this cluster Government of India, Ministry of Textiles, Office of the Development Commissioner Handicrafts sponsored the schemes AHVY. In these schemes there are lot of interventions, and we had implemented all the schemes in adopted Sintain cluster from 2019 to 2022. These schemes were craft awareness, craft demonstration, toolkit distribution, design workshops, and finally the exhibition. And the exhibition here we selected from the cluster 30 number artisans to connect their handmade handicraft items from Sintain to the global market. And we organized here from 6th August to 12th August. So we are glad that Mosinram MLA sir, HM Sangpliang, Mosinram BDO sir, Mr. Peaceful Mukim sir, and other officials of DC Handicraft along with other dignitaries joined with us in these exhibitions, and all of they wishes for the best future of the artisans. And from our organization, the best thing we had done with them through designs projects, through craft awareness program, and now we developed through them, and we had ordered them through their handcrafted items to generate the income more and more in the village. So without going to the other places, they can earn from their own village. That's our motive. I would like to invite every Meghalayans to visit the community market, their products, to see their products, to visit the artisan market because to encourage them their income. So kindly I request on behalf of Northeast Development Forum to visit our exhibition from 6 to 12. Thank you.